Sun Tzu. Victory without fight. Pork belly yields to soy, ginger. Gather the arsenal. Pork belly, flour, yeast, spices, sauces. Every item must stand ready. Knead dough until smooth. Like yeast, a well-executed ambush. Skin. Braise pork in soy, Shaoxing, spices, over salt, and it's a surrender. Buns. Bake dough until crust rises. Soggy buns are a tactical error. Add herbs sparingly. Moderation is key, unless it's flavor. Observe the layers: tender meat, crisp bread, bright herbs. Enjoy. General So salutes the battlefield of taste.